old school?
Nope.
Oh no, yeah, well, yeah. 90s.
Oh, I think I see a train. Nope, not a train. Here's one of my favorite trucks of all, the Tim Hortons delivery truck. This guy has one of the most important jobs in fucking Canada. A little
No, I have the most important job in Canada.
Where's my cup? Give him a hunk. Yeah, buddy, good old Timmy's. Yeah, buddy. Freightliner Cascadia. Crap. Timmy's. Ice pellets.
Having fun in the snow.
Yeah, like I always say, the trucks keep the economy going.
Trains do.
Trains as well. Who was that?
A fake GMC?
A what?
A fake GMC. It's a Hino.
Oh
yeah.
yeah.
GMC.
Yeah. You mean a Zuzu or something shit like
whatever.
that?
Yeah. God, that's not fun. Hino PS. One step over the line, sweet Jesus. One step over the line.
It's actually one toke over the line.
I don't know about fuck. It's the same. It's what? What?
Eh?
What did you say? It's a one what?
One toke.
One toke?
You know what a toke is?
One toke over the line?
You know what a toke is?
No.
When
Scale?
you no, when you take a puff of a joint.
Over the pine, so
Freight shaker.
Freight shaker. Ah fuck, c'est les coteaux que je vais aller moi.
Oh tabarnak, don't do that, oh my god! Swimming!
Red vein. Oh look, another one on the other side too.
Ooh.
Very focused.
Yep.
Wrong way.
What?
There. He's stopped.
What do you mean it's going the wrong way?
Look.
Oh, that's because it's at the border, that's why.
Oh, go back. Look.
See? Yeah, there you go. See,
See
let
over
this
there?
be a lesson to all you truckers. Watch this here.
Yes,
Don't
there
drive
should
too
be
fast. Don't drive too fast, man.
Is he? No, I think.
No, never mind.
Has he?
Simon saw red. I don't think he skidded.
No.
No.
Non. Ben, on dirait, ça a l'air que oui. Ouais, it almost looks like.
Defrost.
Yeah, it's full power.
Yeah, check this guy, yeah? Safety first. You can see this fucking guy's been on the road for many hours. Look how snow covered it is. It looks like an Alaskan trucker or something.
It's the law. Slow down, move over. Arrive alive. Look at the truck over there. Look at the lights. Never seen that before. What the fuck that is? What the fuck is that? Is he going in the wrong way? What the fuck?
What are you talking about? There?
Yeah, look.
Oh, that's a cop.
No, it's not a cop. Look.
It's probably a plow or something.
Voyons donc. Soyez vigilants, arrivez sauf. Be alert, arrive alive. It's got blue lights.
Yeah. It's very Ontarian. Ah, 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 ah. Ouais, c'est pas au Québec, ça, c'est sûr, hein?
Tabarnak.
I can dig it. Look at that, king of the road, baby.